Scansource was founded in 1992, headquartered in Greenville, South Carolina. From there, we've continued to grow. The warehouse is located in South Haven, Mississippi.
The business has certainly grown from what was 100,000 square feet to this warehouse is 600,000 square feet.
Basically, we're a technology and services distributor.
We average about 4,200 orders a day right now. That's orders, not the packages. Adding new equipment, faster equipment, faster printers, making things more efficient.
We were looking at what we're going to have to do in regards to hazmat labeling. We're starting to get into 3D label printers and such, and they have their own special set of hazmat regulations. The standard requires color, and of course the customers want their logo in color, whatever their colors may be. And it had to be fast. Essentially no slower than our current label printers. So we were looking at something that could be expandable into different arenas. At that point, we didn't know if there was even any such thing as a color label printer that could print multicolor. We got in touch with Epson. They happened to have a demo unit in-house, and they let us borrow that, and we started testing with that.
And it was very easy as far as setup, installation, paper installation, ink installation. It's all right there on the front. Smooth process. Drivers, no problem. Setup software was all very easy. The number one feature is it's so customizable. I mean, you can print pretty much whatever you feed to it, it'll print.
We actually took 2 printers out and replaced them both with the Epson.
The one we have now, we have to hit enter for it to print it, so we know ahead of time that it's going to print a label. It's working fine. I like it.
We've been in business for quite a long time, so we've definitely used the best sort of features to our advantage. Anytime we want to see something that improves, we'll definitely look into it.
That sort of set us down the path, and Epson really was the only option there that we could find that was both cost effective in the printers themselves and the supplies.